the application will ask you to get connected right away. You don't have much feature for this VPN application. Here it's just very simple, very straightforward. And this is pretty much the connection button. And as you can see, it's already connected and so forth. But this application or VPN connection is a bit laggy. So if you're encountering any problems at all, I do recommend to clear the application and pretty much restart over, because I won't be able to disconnect this VPN. And as you can see here, I'm tapping on this connection button here and it won't disconnect. So if you're having that problem, that's pretty much the reason why I made this video. So people who's having problem as it relates to this VPN disconnecting can pretty much do that or force close the application if you do not see it disconnected. So as well, as you can see here, it gives me pretty much a different load of a screen, but if it's still not disconnecting, all you have to do is just uninstall the application or you clear the app data from the data settings in your phone. So that's pretty much the only problem with this VPN application here. So yeah.